Okay, so I don't have, you can't even see me, but I don't have TikTok. Oh, okay. There are a bunch of vultures and they left because they're eating something over here. What is it? What do you think that is? Oh, it's an animal. What, oh, you can't even see it. I can't, so, what is it? A seal. Anyways, oh, it's bloody. Anyways, can you even put that on YouTube? I'll cover it off or something. Anyways, this is a free flow, thought video of Daniel. So you're just gonna hear my thoughts as I'm walking, because I'm kind of alone. That's a really big, ooh, the texture's not it, but it was really big. But anyways, they're vultures, and I was like, and I realized I was talking to myself, and I was like, you know what, I'll just film myself talking to myself, because I wanted to take a video, but look at that. Usually, the reason why I'm walking right now is because I'm looking for trash, because I usually pick up trashes on my walks. And I check areas like this, because usually you can find trash where there's, where there's but look, oh, my hat thing fell off, it's okay. There's a little ecosystem in there. Very nice. There he is. He's gonna go back. They will. I didn't mean to disturb them. There's a bunch of them. Is this even getting good video? Honestly, who even knows? What the fuck? Boom. Found another piece. Skadoosh. A lot of times you can find some really nice wood. And there's like sea fleas, and I think they're biting me, bro. Anyways, and look, nice texture. Looks like a bear scratched it. I think maybe sometimes to myself, I think like, oh, I'll grab it and I'll paint on it or something. But I'm also like, yeah, maybe not. Oh, I'm really itchy. It's whatever. It's whatever. Maybe there's fleas or... Oh, yeah, something bit me, bro. I'm all bitten up. Okay, keep moving on. I like finding these. Probably my favorite trash to look for. I am trying to collect a bunch for a reason unknown. This is cool. So, I'll be right back, but look. Oh, hold on, actually. Oh, trash. Yeah, bring it right past you. Found some trash. I simply find stuff like this. Whoa! Look, little sea flea. Look how pretty this looks. So it catches the sun. Maybe if I go on this side. Let's see. I don't know. I find stuff like that very nice. This is me, trapped 24 hours on a lost beach. Or I guess an island. Oh, see, yeah, look. All right. Now, a couple weeks ago, there was a big old crab fest. And there was like, I don't know, maybe 50, upwards of 100 legs and thousands of sand crabs. There was like a mass feeding. And it was kind of cool to witness. Also, there's a shark attack yesterday. That's the second one this month, or this summer. It was a guy, or it was a dog and a lady on a paddleboard. Quite insane. More stuff. Without realizing, I sat next to a jellyfish because I got tired. Does it look cool? Anyways, that's all you're gonna get out of me. Goodbye.